another adverb. Today we will learn degrees of comparisons in adverbs. There are 3 degrees of comparisons in adverbs. They are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. In the previous year we have learned already this, right children? So what is positive, comparative and superlative? See the example. The red car goes fast, and here the adverb is fast. The adverb as it is, that is called in positive degree. Next example, the blue car goes faster. The blue car goes faster than the red car. Compare between two things. So faster. This is in comparative degree. In comparative degree, you can find ER. You have to add ER in comparative degree. And next, the yellow car goes fastest of all. Here, comparing between red, blue and yellow, right? So when you compare more than two things, then it is in superlative degree. Then you should add EST along with the adverb. The yellow car goes fastest of all. In superlative degree, you have to add EST. Okay, in comparative degree, you have to add ER, and in superlative EST. See the example: fast, faster. When it comes to comparative, you will add ER, faster, and fastest. In superlative degree, you will add EST. Next, early, earlier, earliest. Near, nearer, nearest. Okay. Now, the adverbs form their comparatives and superlatives using ER and EST, and more and most. Where we can use more and most? Adverbs that end in ly use the words more and most to form their comparatives and superlatives. The one-syllable adverbs use their ER in the comparative form and EST in the superlative form. So adverbs that end in ly and more than one syllable, then in comparative degree we will add more, okay, and in superlative degree most. Next is brightly, ending in ly and it's more than two syllables. So comparative degree more brightly, and in superlative degree most brightly. I will read out positive, comparative and superlative. Early, earlier, earliest. Loud, louder, loudest. Fast, faster, fastest. Hard, harder, hardest. Near, nearer, nearest. High, higher, highest. Late, later, latest. Soon, sooner, soonest. Next, adverbs which end in ly or have 3 or more syllables each form the comparative with more and the superlative with most. Angrily, more angrily, most angrily. Brightly, more brightly, most brightly. Okay, it's more than 2 syllables. So we have to add more in comparative and most in superlative. Next, dimly, more dimly, most dimly. Freely, more freely, most freely. Gladly, more gladly, most gladly. Heavily, more heavily, most heavily. Loudly, more loudly, most loudly. Quietly, more quietly, most quietly. Sweetly, more sweetly, most sweetly. And terribly, more terribly and most terribly. Next, the comparative form is used to compare two things. Okay. Next, the superlative form is used to compare 3 or more things. And now, it is not correct to use ER and more together. We cannot use ER and more together. Both are used for comparative, right? If you have written ER, then you don't need to add more. And EST and most together, that is wrong. See the example. The tree is more taller than the giraffe. That is incorrect. Already taller written, that is comparative. Then again you don't need to add more. The correct form is the tree is taller than the giraffe. Next, the turkey is the most oldest in the form. That is incorrect in the farm. Next, the right one is this turkey is the oldest in the farm. Only 1 degree is enough. If you have added ER or EST, then you don't need to add more or most with that. Okay. Now some adverbs form the comparative and worse, and in superlative degree, worst. Far, further, furthest. Next, far, F-U-R-T-H-E-R, further and furthest. This is for distance and this is for movement. Okay. Next, little, in comparative it will become less, and in superlative degree, least. Little, less, least. Next, much or many. For both, comparative degree is more and in superlative degree it is most. Next, well, in comparative degree it is better and in superlative degree best. Okay children? So next we will move on to the TV exercises. Children, I'll read the lesson once more. All of you take out page number 49. Adverbs, degrees of comparison. We have already read about types of adverbs in semester 1. Now let's learn about comparison of adverbs. There are 3 degrees of comparison in adverbs. What are they? Positive, comparative and superlative. See the example, the red car goes fast. It is in positive degree. The fast is in positive degree. The blue car goes faster. Comparative degree. Comparison between red and blue car. Next, the yellow car goes fastest of all and it is in superlative degree. Comparison with more than 2 things, red, blue and yellow. So, it is in superlative degree. The adverbs form their comparatives and superlatives using ER and EST and more and most. Adverbs that end in ly use the words more and most to form their comparatives and superlatives. Adverbs that end in ly, we have to use the words more with comparative and most with superlative. The one-syllable adverbs use ER in the comparative form and EST in the superlative form. See children, in positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Early, in comparative it will become earlier and in superlative earliest. Loud, louder, loudest. Fast, faster, fastest. You have to add ER with in comparative and EST in superlative. Hard, harder, hardest. Near, nearer, nearest. High, higher, highest. Late, later, latest. Soon, sooner, soonest. Now adverbs which end in ly or have 3 or more syllables each form the comparative with more and superlative with most. Now adverbs that end in ly or have 3 or more syllables, then we have to use more along with in comparative and most with superlative. Okay. Angrily, more than 2 syllables. So in comparative you have to use more angrily, and in superlative most angrily. Same way, brightly, more brightly, most brightly. Dimly, more dimly, most dimly. Freely, more freely, most freely. Gladly, more gladly, most gladly. Heavily, more heavily, most heavily. Loudly, more loudly, most loudly. Quietly, more quietly, most quietly. Sweetly, more sweetly, most sweetly. Terribly, more terribly, and most terribly. Next, the comparative form is used to compare 2 things. So, what is comparative degree? It is used to compare 2 things. Example, we must not reach there later than 8 o'clock. Next, you speak more loudly than a loudspeaker. The sun shines more brightly than all other stars. Comparison with 2 things. Next, superlative form. It is used to compare 3 or more things. Example, she arrived the earliest, so she had to wait for the others. Why do you have to speak the most loudly of all the meeting? Of all the girls, your sister sang the most sweetly. Now, it is not correct to use ER and more together or EST or most together. We cannot use ER and more together. or est or most together. You have to use only one form. Example, the tree is more taller than the giraffe. That is incorrect. The tree is taller than the giraffe. That is correct one. If you have added on already er as comparative degree, then again you don't need to use more. That is wrong. This turkey is the most oldest in the farm. That is incorrect. What is the correct one? This turkey is the oldest in the farm. Oldest already in superlative. Then again we don't need to add most. Only one form is enough. Next, some adverbs form the comparative and the superlative irregularly. Okay, they are badly. In positive, it's badly. When it comes to comparative, it will become worse. And in superlative, it will become worst. Next, far. In comparative, farther. Superlative, farthest. Next, far. Further, farthest. Farther for distance and further for location. Next, little, less, least. Little in positive. When it comes to comparative, it will become less, and in superlative, least. Next, much, much or many. For both, comparative degree is more and the superlative is most. So, much, more, most. If many, then also comparative degree more, superlative most. Next, last one, well. And the comparative degree for well is better and superlative best. So these are all the forms for comparative and superlative for irregular adverbs. Examples, one of the two teddy bears, which do you like better? This has to be the farthest I have ever walked in my life. Take page number 51. Use the comparative or superlative form of the following adverbs in brackets to complete each sentence. One has been done for you. The first one, Kabir looks happier or happiest than Arjun this morning. Comparison between Kabir and Arjun, right? So the answer should be in comparative degree. So happier. Kabir looks happier than Arjun this morning. Second one, the man arrived earlier or earliest than the others. The man arrived earlier than the others. Comparative degree. So underline earlier. Next, Alam ran further or furthest than Satish. Comparison between Alam and Satish, right? So it should be in comparative degree. Further with ER. Alam ran further than Satish. Next, the man drove farther or farthest than he had to. The man drove farther than he had to. Underline farther. Next, the workers began earliest or earlier than usual today. The workers began earlier than usual today. So, underline earlier. It should be in comparative degree. Next, Rohan jumped higher or highest of all students in the class. Rohan jumped highest of all the students in the class. It should be in superlative degree with EST. So, underline highest. Next, I run shorter or shortest distances in the morning. I run shorter distances in the morning. Underline shorter. Next, she arrived sooner or soonest than the other person. Comparison between she and the other person. So, sooner is the right answer. She arrived sooner than the other person. Next, he is the taller or tallest boy in the class. He is the tallest boy in the class. Underline tallest. We worked better or best today because all the workers showed up. We worked better today because all the workers showed up. Underline better. Children, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the interactive session. Thank you.